have an IntelliChlor IC40 unit on my pool, but the way I have it installed, the words on the touchpad are upside down. Can the faceplate on the touchpad be rotated 180 degrees so I can read the button labels without standing on my head?
On the IC40?
Yes.
No. Technically, you could open up the flow cap and turn the flow switch so that it was facing the other way, and then you could put it on backwards. But the IntelliChlor is designed to be plumbed one way, so I don't really recommend it, and I'm trying to think of what possible drawbacks would happen if you turned it around. Because your flow switch would then be at the end of the cell as opposed to the beginning. Theoretically it should work, but for some reason I'm drawing a blank on the reason I don't like it. In general, I would leave it the way it is.